Hello everybody and welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be bringing you the MX tread pattern. This is going to be a very common tread for your excavator tracks, and that's exactly what we have here is an excavator track with that MX pattern. This set of tracks is a very heavy duty set of tracks that's manufactured with high quality rubber compounds, as well as it has those continuous steel cables running throughout the tracks. This is going to ensure a longer life, more durability, and less breakdown on that rubber over time. Where these set of tracks is going to be great is going to be kind of all applications in terrain. So you're going to be able to use these on construction sites, concrete, asphalt, scrap yards, etc. because you've got that large tread pad here, kind of like the block tread design, which is going to give you more durability. It's going to be more abrasive, so it can take that abrasion from, sharp metals, nails, etc. without tearing or gouging into that rubber. But then also it's going to have a capability of giving you great traction. So if you're in dirt, mud, gravel, out in the forest doing any forestry work, this is going to be a great set of tracks to give you that traction as well as durability you may need if you were to run into, sticks or rocks or anything like that if you're out there doing forestry work. Another nice feature that is on this set of tracks is right in front of this tread pad here, there's going to be a, sort of small rectangle piece that's raised up, kind of like a shelf. And this is going to allow any dirt or debris or mud or anything to be cleared out between those tread pads. So that's going to be a nice feature, again, to have to clear out the tracks, keep that traction going as you're running, throughout the day. Again, this is a very heavy-duty set of tracks. If you were to measure from the bottom to the top of the tread here, you would find that it's 2.5 inches thick of rubber, and then the height on that tread pad itself is about 1.5 inches tall. So again, very durable. You're going to be able to run on these for a very long time before seeing any dulling or wear and tear or anything like that. Another nice feature to preserve the set of tracks as well as your undercarriage is going to be underneath here where your sprocket and your rollers and everything rides. There is a nice thin layer of coating to protect the sprockets themselves and those undercarriage parts to preserve the life of them as well. And so what we typically see is the sprockets will, dull or shorten on the teeth. And with that nice little bit of rubber under there, you're just going to be able to get more life out of that undercarriage without needing replacements, as well as the tracks themselves before needing any sort of replacements. We are offering free shipping on this set of tracks. So if you were to order a pair, we'd be able to get these out the door to you sometimes the same day, if not for sure the next day, along with that free shipping. If you do have any questions or are interested, feel free to give us a call here. Our number is 866-315-3134, or you can click the link in the description below to pull up the webpage for the set of tracks, which you will find additional photos, specs, features, or anything you may be looking for. Thank you all very much for watching. We do appreciate it, and you all have a great rest of your day.